I've previously introduced you to who we are at Consolidated Auto. Today, I want to show you the heart of the dealership, our workshop. Come with me, let me show you. And here we are, in the heart of Consolidated Auto. It is right here that our technical team sees to it that you and your vehicle remain on the road. Our workshop is large, modern, and built to handle hundreds of vehicles every month. But it's not only about space, it's about the people. Today, we have got a very special technician.
I'm Pindi Lekwabe and I'm a final year EP. I was called for an interview because they were so shocked that a lady can become a mechanic. So they wanted to know more about myself, of which they called me, and then I come here and then they asked me, are you gonna be able to be a mechanic? I was like, yes. If you can give me a chance, then you can see. I'm 100% sure I'm doing a good job.
And there we go. Knowing your people is definitely servicing your customers with passion. Our technicians aren't just qualified, they're passionate, precise, and proud of what they do. They know your Ford inside and out. At Consolidated Auto, service means more than just spanners and screwdrivers. We know your time matters. That's why we offer a shuttle service, a pickup and drop-off service, and even roadside assistance for our clients. It's simple. We want you to feel confident leaving your vehicle in our care. This is our work. This is our pride. Here at Consolidated Auto, we know that it's about the people and that we all have to share the same passion so we can give the same level of service to our customers. And in the heart of Consolidated Auto, here in the workshop, each one of our highly qualified technicians share that same passion and that same goal to keep customers happy. Because if your people are happy, your customers will essentially remain happy.